Space, dark, silent, endless. But if you think it's just an empty void, think again. Beyond the planets and stars we know lie some of the strangest and most fascinating objects in the universe. These phenomena stretch the limits of our scientific understanding. Things that shouldn't exist, but do. Imagine giant cosmic dust clouds that look like bunnies, or stars so dense a spoonful of their material could sink a ship. Black holes, silent monsters that warp space and time itself. And the most chilling part? We've barely scratched the surface of these cosmic mysteries. Join us as we dive into the most bizarre and awe-inspiring objects in space. Imagine sweeping under your bed and finding a cloud the size of a solar system. That's what space dust bunnies are. Huge, fluffy clouds of cosmic debris. Except instead of lint and hair, these are made of tiny rock fragments, ice particles, and even organic molecules. Where do they come from? Exploding stars, their death throes scattering remnants across unimaginable distances. Colliding asteroids, pulverizing each other into cosmic dust in a ballet of destruction and creation. Even planets, shedding their atmospheres like old skin, contribute to these ethereal clouds. But here's where it gets weird. Some of these dust clouds, when viewed through our telescopes, seem to take on familiar shapes. Shapes of animals, objects, like rabbits hopping across the cosmos. Just a trick of the mind? A way for our brains to make sense of the chaos? Maybe, but it makes you wonder, what else is hiding in the dust? What secrets do these vast clouds hold, waiting to be deciphered? And then there's the big question. Could these dust clouds be the building blocks of life itself? Scientists believe the molecules in these clouds, complex carbon compounds, could be the raw ingredients for planets, even living organisms. The very elements that make up our bodies, the air we breathe, were forged in the hearts of stars and scattered on the cosmic winds. We are, in a very real sense, children of the stars. So next time you clean under your bed, remember, you might just be recreating the birth of a solar system. These cosmic dust bunnies are illuminated by the light of nearby stars, creating a mesmerizing glow that can be seen across vast distances. Drifting through the interstellar medium, these dust clouds can travel for millions of years, carrying the history of the universe within them. They interact with magnetic fields, creating intricate patterns and structures that are both beautiful and scientifically intriguing. In some regions, these dust clouds collapse under their own gravity, giving birth to new stars and solar systems, continuing the cycle of cosmic creation. Picture this. You take a ball the size of a city. You crush it down until it's denser than anything on Earth, denser than 1 billion elephants squeezed into a thimble. That's a neutron star. When a massive star, much larger than our own sun, reaches the end of its life, it doesn't just fade away. It explodes in a supernova, a cataclysmic event visible across the universe. But the core of that star, the heart of that inferno, often remains, and that core gets squeezed, compressed by gravity into an object barely 12 miles across. A teaspoon of its material weighs as much as Mount Everest. Think about that. A whole star, packed into something smaller than a city. That's like stuffing the entire human population into a sugar cube, and it doesn't stop there. Some neutron stars spin at thousands of times per second, shooting out beams of light from their poles like cosmic lighthouses. These are called pulsars, nature's most precise timekeepers. For decades, scientists thought pulsars were alien signals. Why? Because their pulses were too perfect, too rhythmic, almost artificial. Turns out, they're just the universe's weirdest metronomes, flashing with atomic clock precision. But who knows? Maybe one day, one of those pulses will be from something else. Neutron stars also have incredibly strong magnetic fields, billions of times stronger than Earth's. Some even have accretion disks, where matter from a companion star swirls around them, creating intense X-ray emissions. And when two neutron stars collide, they create gravitational waves that ripple through the fabric of space-time itself. These collisions can also produce gamma-ray bursts, the most energetic explosions in the universe. The aftermath of such a merger is a kilonova, a brilliant explosion that can outshine entire galaxies for a brief moment. Truly, neutron stars are the stellar ghosts that continue to haunt the cosmos with their incredible phenomena. Black holes, the ultimate predators of space. No light, no escape, no second chances. They're not just big, they're unbelievably powerful. Places where the very fabric of space-time is stretched to its breaking point. A black hole forms when a massive star collapses under its own gravity, creating a singularity, a point of infinite density. Its gravitational pull becomes so strong that nothing can escape, not even light, the fastest thing in the universe. The result? A tear in space itself, a cosmic abyss that swallows everything that gets too close. But here's the kicker. Black holes aren't empty. Some of them feed, voraciously consuming anything that crosses their event horizon, the point of no return. They pull in gas, stars, even entire planets. As material spirals into a black hole, it heats up to millions of degrees, glowing brighter than whole galaxies in a final, desperate cry for help. Others just sit there, silent, waiting, lurking in the darkness. And then, there's the biggest mystery of all. What happens if you fall in? Would you be stretched into spaghetti by the intense gravity? Or could you survive? Some scientists believe black holes might be tunnels, gateways to other universes. Wormholes connecting distant corners of reality. No proof, just a theory. But if it's true, then somewhere, on the other side, could be an entirely new reality waiting to be explored. Imagine this. One night, a radio telescope picks up a signal, a burst of energy, like a whisper cutting through the cosmic static. Short, powerful, unsettling. It lasts just a few milliseconds, and then nothing. Silence. Fast radio bursts, FRBs, one of space's biggest mysteries. An enigma wrapped in darkness. Where do they come from? What do they mean? What secrets do they hold? Are we alone in the universe? Or are these signals a cosmic breadcrumb trail? Some scientists think FRBs come from neutron stars, their powerful magnetic fields generating bursts of energy. Others say it could be colliding black holes, sending ripples through space-time. Echoes of cataclysmic events, and a few, they whisper, aliens. Here's why it's weird. Some FRBs repeat, like a message being sent, over and over again. A haunting refrain, a cosmic beacon calling out into the void, beckoning us. In 1977, one signal, the WOW signal, was so strange, so powerful, that scientists still can't explain it. It lasted for 72 seconds, a seemingly deliberate length of time, and then vanished without a trace. A ghost in the machine. Could it be from an advanced civilization? A whisper from the stars? A beacon from deep space? A call we can't ignore, or just another cosmic coincidence? A trick of the universe? The truth? We don't know. We can only listen. But if something is out there, listening? Watching? If there are other minds out there, pondering the same cosmic mysteries, reaching out through the void, we might not be alone. And that thought is both thrilling and terrifying. We've only scratched the surface of space's strangest secrets. Our journey is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. There are rogue planets, worlds that drift through space, untethered to any star, like cosmic nomads wandering the galactic plains. There are white holes, the theoretical opposites of black holes, where nothing can enter and everything can only escape. And then there's dark matter, the invisible glue holding the universe together, accounting for nearly 85% of its mass. We can't see it, touch it, or interact with it directly, yet its gravitational influence governs the movements of galaxies. Each new discovery pushes the boundaries of what we think we know, forcing us to re-examine our place in the cosmos. It's a humbling experience, to realize how much we don't know. And the best part? We're just getting started. With new telescopes, more powerful than ever before, peering deeper into the universe, space missions pushing the boundaries of exploration, and maybe one day, interstellar travel, who knows what we'll find next? A new planet, A new civilization? A whole new way of understanding the universe? One thing's for sure, space isn't done surprising us. Not by a long shot. The future of cosmic discovery is bright, filled with hope and wonder for generations to come. Thanks for joining us on this extraordinary journey through the most enigmatic corners of the cosmos. We've ventured to the unfathomable edges of black holes, witnessed the awe-inspiring births and cataclysmic deaths of stars, and pondered the profound possibility of life beyond our tiny blue planet. The universe is vast, mysterious, unpredictable, and no matter how much we uncover, one thing remains eternally true. There's always more to discover, new mysteries to unravel, new horizons to explore, new wonders to inspire us. So keep looking up, keep questioning, keep dreaming, and never lose your sense of wonder. The cosmos, in all its infinite grandeur, awaits.